So I got a starter out of a John Deere ProGator, and it sounds a little bit sick. So we're going to test it out and see what happens here. So just on the bench, we got our jump box here. Hook our positive up, hook our negative up. Turn on the jump box. I'm just going to jump the starter out with a screwdriver. There she is, sounding a little sick. Sounds like a bearing or something, so we're going to tear this thing apart and see what we can come up with. I've never tore one of these apart, but we'll see what's on the inside here. That was kind of loose. That ain't helping anything. Oh, it's got like a planetary inside there. I think our problem is in here somewhere. I don't know. It doesn't have a bearing in it. It's just greased. Be fun getting these brushes back in there, but see what we can come up with. Clean this thing up a little bit. Maybe we'll I don't think our noise is coming from there, so I'm guessing it was coming from inside here somewhere. Yeah, most starters and stuff will have a bearing on the end. So anyway, we'll clean it up and get back to you. So I pulled the gears out of here, the planet gears, and put some grease on them. All that looked pretty good. So I'm gonna just put this thing back together. It's got a little gasket that fits in there, holds this in. I'm gonna try to clamp this in the vise and get the armature back in here, because I think it's going to be a little tricky. I'm going to get a little grease to put on that shaft. Yeah, just a little. On here, that's just like a brass bushing in there that I want to get just a touch of grease on and not get it everywhere else. And then try to get these brushes back in there. It's going to be a little bit of a trick probably, but what's up, Francisco? Watching? You want to get a screwdriver? Watch with a screwdriver so you can hold these brushes in, because I'm probably going to need 4 hands. Here's a screwdriver. I'm going to get another screwdriver. All right, there's one. There's two. Hold that one. Almost got it right there, I think. Got that one in there. Hold it. Well, so we have to put that in. Your fingers aren't going to fit. So that's why I was giving you the screwdriver. Nothing to it. That was easy. That's what I think it was. Sounds a lot better, don't it? Nice. Cool. I guess we'll put it back in the machine and see how long it lasts.